Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you message to refill sticker on Instagram story tutorial. So all you have to do is open your Instagram and create your own story right now. It's very easy. Here for example, and then tap on stickers feature here. Try to search the refill. You can tap in the refill. Here you can uh, try to read something here. This one for example, and done. So this is the preview. This is how your story will look to anyone who hasn't messaged you to reveal it. So your friend need to message you, and then this picture or your story will be revealed. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.